In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Turbotax in 2025 to file your taxes online, perfect for beginners. Let's dive in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Turbotax official site using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice a user-friendly interface designed to guide you through your tax filing process with ease. Turbotax really focuses on making the navigation intuitive, so just follow along with me. Upon reaching the site, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account already, don't worry, you should see an option to create one. Signing in gives you access to previous records and helps in carrying over information from past years, which is a massive time saver. Once you're signed in and on the Turbotax homepage, you'll see various options. Here, look for the option to review or edit your tax documents. This is the section where Turbotax's step-by-step guidance becomes your best friend. You'll be able to check all the needed sections to ensure everything's in order before finalizing anything. Next, you'll want to navigate to your personal profile. This is where you'll begin entering specific personal information. Turbotax will ask for details such as your name, address, social security number, and other identifying information. Ensuring this information is accurate is crucial, as it forms the foundation for the entire filing process. Following your personal profile setup, the subsequent task is to report your income. Turbotax will prompt you with questions related to the forms you've received, W-2s from employers or 1099 forms for independent work, for instance. This is a vital step where you input all the income you've earned during the year. It's important to be thorough here, as entering all sources of income ensures accuracy and compliance with IRS requirements. Turbotax is designed to simplify this part of the process with helpful tips and explanations for each type of income entry. As you work through entering your personal information and income details, take advantage of these guides. They're incredibly useful for clarifying what each section requires, and just like that, you're well on your way to successfully filing your taxes using Turbotax in 2025. The platform not only helps in validating your entries, but also automatically cross-verifies your data to catch any errors. Remember, the key is to take it step by step, and before you know it, you'll be all set. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy filing.